I'm nearing 5,000 subscribers, and I wanted to do a giveaway. I wanted to give away this 5.8 gigahertz FPV antenna that I've made. One of these are featured in my previous videos. I was getting 700 or 800 feet with 25 milliwatts of power from a transmitter. This is a circularly polarized helical antenna, right-hand polarized, 5-turn, about 10 to 11 dB, and this SWR in this antenna is 1.3 to 1. I've tested it on this, and I was really surprised when I got almost a perfect SWR. Leave in the comments below whether you want a SMA male or an RP-SMA male, and I'll draw the winner from those comments. And thank you for subscribing.